Very good afternoon to all respected members who have gathered here for today's guest lecture on study of supply chain management roles in corporate governance. It's my immense pleasure to deliver today's guest lecture on so-called topic study of supply chain management roles in corporate governance. In today's business environment, supply chain management is no longer limited to logistics and procurement of material. It has become a most important strategic function that supports transparency, ethics, sustainability, and organizational governance. In this today's session, we will understand how supply chain management contributes to effective corporate governance practices. Now we shall start the introduction to supply chain management systems. Supply chain management commonly refers to the coordination of activities involved in sourcing, production, transportation, and delivery of products and services. Supply chain management plays a critical role in improving operational efficiency, reducing the costs, and increasing the customer satisfaction. Modern supply chain are influenced by globalization, digital transformation, sustainability expectations, and changing customer demands. Organizations with strong supply chain system often achieve better organizational performance and competitive advantage. Now let us understand the importance of corporate governance in supply chain management system. Corporate governance to the system of rules, practices, and processes through which organizations are directed and controlled. Good governance focuses on transparency, accountability, ethical decision making, and stakeholder responsibility. Board of directors and management teams ensure that organizations operate responsibly and comply with the legal and ethical standards. Today, governance challenges include fraud prevention, sustainability, reporting, risk management, and maintaining the stakeholders' trust. Now, let us see in overall the supply chain management and corporate governance linkages. So, from this illustration, it is clearly understood that supply chain management and corporate governance are closely connected with each other. Supply chain management act as a strategic governance tool by ensuring accountability across suppliers, distributors, and business partners. Organization must manage risk such as supplier failures, unethical sourcing, and operational disruptions. Sustainable sourcing practices and supplier compliance programs strengthen the governance and improve the corporate reputation. Let us see the different roles of SCM, that is supply chain management, in corporate governance. Supply chain management supports corporate governance in several important ways. First, it enhances operational transparency by improving visibility across supply chain activities. Second, ethical procurement practices help organization to maintain integrity and stakeholders' confidence. Third, supply chain management ensures compliance with government regulations and industry standards. Finally, effective supply chain system reduce operational and financial risk while improving the long-term sustainability in the business. Now we will move on to the sustainable supply chain governance. Sustainability has become a major key focus in modern supply chain system. Green supply chain initiatives aim to reduce environmental impact through eco-friendly practices and waste reduction. Organizations are increasingly integrating environmental sustainable goals, environmental, social, and governance principle into their primary operations. Circular economy practices and responsible sourcing strategies also contribute to sustainable corporate governance. Let us see about the importance of technology and digital governance in supply chain system. Technology is transforming gradually day by day the supply chain governance. AI and blockchain technologies improve transparency, traceability, and decision making. Digital twins and advanced analytics help organizations to monitor the supply chain performance in real time. Cybersecurity has also become essential because digital supply chain face increasing number of cyber threats and data privacy challenges. Now let us discuss a case study on Amazon supply chain governance. So in this case study, we will discuss the role of supply chain management system as a overall and how different the corporate strategies are put forth to strengthen the supply chain management role. Let us have a look at the example of Amazon. Amazon has established a supplier code of conduct to ensure ethical sourcing and compliance. The company uses automation, robotics, and advanced analytics to improve data transparency and operational efficiency. Amazon also focuses on sustainability reporting and risk mitigation practices to strengthen the governance across its global supply chain network system. What are the various physical challenges present in supply chain management governance? Despite many advantages, organizations face several challenges in supply chain governance. First one, global disruptions such as pandemics, geopolitical conflicts, and transportation issues can impact operations significantly. Ethical sourcing problems, cybersecurity risk, and data privacy concern continue to increase. Organization must also balance cost efficiency with sustainability and social responsibility. What are the various future trends in supply chain governance? The future of supply chain governance will be driven by smart technologies and sustainability. AI-driven governance system will enable predictive risk management and faster decision making in day-to-day activities. Organization will increasingly focus on resilient and sustainable supply chain network. Collaborative governance models involving suppliers, governments, and stakeholders will become more important in the coming years. Now, to conclude the entire presentation, supply chain management plays a vital role in strengthening the corporate governance. Transparent, ethical, and sustainable supply chains improve the stakeholders' trust and organizational reputation. Technology continues to enhance the governance efficiency and operational visibility. The future of supply chain management governance will focus on resilience, sustainability, and digital transformation. So, with the above key information, I thank you everyone for your valuable time and participation. I hope that today's session has provided a lot of valuable information into the role of supply chain management in corporate governance. So with this few information, I end my today's lecture series. We will meet in the next upcoming the lecture session on different topic of agenda. Thank you again.